This 2026 Winnebago View 24R is a Class C RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Mod Allure Pacific White interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2026 Winnebago View 24R is built on a Mercedes-Benz RWD Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.